That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Sa tulong ng tibay mula sa Bear Brand with 3 balanced meals and exercise. Puno ng tibay nutrisyon ng bawat paso ko. May tibay katawan at tibay resistensya to. Ako'y laki sa gatas, laking Bear Brand ako.
Tibay ngayon para sa matibay na bukas. Upang sugpuin ang lumalalang kaso ng iligal na online gambling sa bansa at protektahan ang mga manlalaro laban dito, inilunsad ng Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation o PAGCOR ang PAGCOR Guarantee website. Maaaring i-check ng publiko sa nasabing website kung lisensyado at lehitimo ang isang online gaming site bago sila maglaro o magbayad. Regular na ina-update ang website at may direktang link ito sa mga lisensyadong gaming platforms. Ayon kay PAGCOR Chairman and CEO Alejandro Tenco, matutulungan nito ang publiko na makaiwas sa panlilinlang habang pinoprotektahan ang kanilang karapatan bilang manlalaro. Paalala pa ni Chairman Tenco na maging mapanuri sa bawat online gaming activity na sasalihan sapagkat dumarami ang mga reklamo hinggil sa illegal na gaming sites na hindi nagbabayad ng panalo. Para sa karagdagang impormasyon, bisitahin ang www.pagcor.ph/pagcorguarantee.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With Alpha, Beta, Gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, so coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
Hi, I'm Rene Salud, ang inyong fashion ambassador to the world. MX3 capsule, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3.
Get ready! Some of the biggest names in the world of golf are set to wow sports fans. International Series Philippines presented by Bingo Plus. Debuts in Manila from October 23 to 26 at the prestigious Santa Elena Golf Club. It's more than golf. Enjoy headline concerts, live music, and interactive fan experiences. Tickets are available now at SM Tickets with free entry on Thursday and Friday. Don't miss this ultimate celebration of golf. International Series Philippines is presented by Bingo Plus. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
DCXL 558.